So over here you can see that I have a person walking right here just like this. So this is what you have, and let's say right around over here on this particular section I want a freeze frame. That means I want a still picture and I want the video to continue again. In that case you can utilize the freeze frame effect. So to do that you need to go around under the edit section right here, and here you can see that freeze frame is an option right here. So once your timeline cursor is here, and once you clicked on it, you can see that this is the freeze frame, and you can go around and choose the number of seconds you want the freeze frame to be. So I say 4 seconds right here just like this, and you can export this out right here as a separate file right here just like this. You can export it out as a separate file, or you can go around. Let me just go around onto freeze frame. You can also go around and extract out the candid photo right here just like this, and this is what you have as you can see, and you can extract it out as well. Or what you can also do is, let me just go around and close this. I'm just going to press yes right here, and another thing that you can do is you can go around onto freeze frame, and then you can insert it in movie right here just like this. So once you do that, you can see that this is what you have right here. So the clip has been split into two right here just like this, and then you got a bit of a freeze frame, and then you have this. So it's simply inserted out a frame right here. So if I were to press the play button, this is what you have right here, just like this. And then once it reaches up there, there's a freeze frame over here for 5 seconds. And then after that, the video continues out right here. So the video has been split into two. You can also go around and decrease the duration to 2 seconds right here, just like this. And what happens is that if you were to go around and press the play button, you can see that it opens up right here, just like this. It continues out. And then what happens is that there's a 2-second pause right here, and then it continues out with the video next right here, just like this. So that is how you can work around with the freeze frame effect inside of Adobe Premiere Elements. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.